Hello everyone, I am Kru Bang. This is my YouTube channel, and we are going to learn Unit 2 Team Power Lesson B. And this is episode 14. Let's start. Critical thinking. Inferring why do you think some team jockey of power? Jockey for power. Okay, the answer will be vary, but this is my suggestion, right? Usually, a power struggle happens when each member thinks they are the best possible leader of the group that I tried to tell you earlier. You can write something right here and you will get the point. And this depends partly on individual personality and group dynamics. It can be the other thing. No perfect. There are no perfect answers. Just something you want to tell, and that's it. And from the collaboration is key, right? Previewing, you go and you watch the video and you will see this graph on the TED Talk, and you will see uh, the name of the chart. Let's see, the lawyer will be number 2, right? Number 2, right here. This is number 2, right? This is the same thing. The second, architect and engineering, will be number 4, right? Number 4 right here. Just right, number 4. Uh, C, CEO and executive admin, right? Number 5, right here, right? CEO and executive admin. Number for letter D, business school student. Which one? Number 1, the lowest. And E, kindergarten, เด็กอนุบาล right? Number 3, that what the people did, the result of everything in the challenge that he find out. From this video, I think if you watch, you will see his name, Tom Bucek. Okay, next. Use information and answer 2 questions. According to Bucek, why do kindergarten students do well in activity, right? They start with marshmallow. That what gonna see in the video. If you listen and you will hear like they start with the marshmallow. Number 2 will be many prototype. According to Bucek, it is better to build many prototype, right? Many prototype. If you build only one thing, you will not get achieve this one, or very few. It cannot. You have to try many time, many prototype. It it will be success in the uh, in the in the final, and you will get the product after you do many prototype. Next, these are the answer here. Successful team try a lot of different design. Successful team use geometric shape in their structure, and successful team mostly have expert on team. Number 2 and 3, it cannot, right? It, they are not the right answer. Just number 1, 4, and 5. That I told you earlier. The answer will be vary. From the number 1, how well do you think you and your classmates would do the marshmallow challenge? Give reason for your answer. I think I can finish the marshmallow challenge by collaborate with my partner. I will divide into maybe 3 parts. I will one will build the tower, second will plan, the other will help to do something else. That what the answer that you should write. It is no perfect answer, just write it and I will read later. Apply. What kind of structure do you think would work best in the marshmallow challenge? Work in group and design the best structure on paper if possible. Try to build it. I think the tower. I will make the tower like Eiffel Tower, something like that. I will use a triangle, blah blah blah, to finish the to finish my tower, and I will do other thing else. It can be for the answer, right? And that what structure I think best for my I mean triangle สามเหลี่ยม and next uh after you watch you see like when Wojciech give money to people, like the answer will be like when Wojciech add financial incentive, every team tower fell down. He said that giving high incentive when people have low skill is not successful combination. Uh, when they need money and the skill that they have like very low, it doesn't matter. They want to get money, right? And finally it fell down. No one get money in finally because uh they have like the brief time 18 minutes, right? And finally no no one get money. That what he did. And okay, just write it here on the worksheet 2. Read did question and answer the same thing from Tom Wojcik. And next, finding the main idea. How can I locate the main idea? Right? Let's see. Once you can find the topic, you are ready to find the main idea. The main idea is the point of paragraph. It is the most important truth about the topic. And second, to figure out the main idea, you ask yourself this question: what is being said about the person, thing, or idea? Right, the topic. And third, the author can locate the main idea in different places. Within a paragraph, the main idea is usually a sentence, and it is usually the first sentence. The writer the writer then use the rest of the paragraph to support the main idea. Let's see how to find, like, okay, the first the first the first question. Let's read it.
Summer is a wonderful time to spend at West Beach. It is a beach with light-colored, soft sand. The coastline goes on for a long way and many people enjoy walking along it. Children like to play in the surf and walk along the rocks that are visible at low tide. This is a fun beach for people of all ages.
Okay, in this paragraph you will see like the topic is the West Beach, and the main idea you can find on the first paragraph, right? Summer is a wonderful time at West Beach, right? That what the answer will be. You you just use some word, not all word, right? The main idea to spend, you cut it out เพื่อใช้เวลา right? You can cut it out. The answer will be topic will be West Beach, and the main idea will be summer is a wonderful time at West Beach. Question number 2.
The movie Apollo 13 was a blockbuster for the summer of 1995. It is an exciting story about space exploration. In the movie, the astronauts get in trouble while they are trying to return to Earth. People in the audience are on the edge of their seats waiting to see what happens. What makes it even more exciting is that it is a true story.
Okay, let's see. In this paragraph, the topic sentence will be the movie Apollo 13, right? You can find on the first paragraph as well. And next, let's see. The main idea in this it in the first sentence that I told you earlier. You can find on the first sentence. Apollo 13 was blockbuster of the summer of 1995. That was the answer here. You can find on the first sentence. And next, why the main idea is usually in the first sentence. The next most common statement in the last sentence of paragraph, the author gives supporting information first and then make the point in the last sentence. Let's see from the answer.
Most teenagers and young adults do not know what they want to do for the rest of their lives. It is a big decision. There are a number of things you can do to narrow the choices. For example, you can take an interest test, do some research on your own about a career, try volunteer work in the field in which you are interested, or job shadow, in which you spend a day with a person who is working in a field that interests you. These are just a few helpful ideas as you begin to choose a career.
Okay, in this paragraph as well, they said it can be the last sentence, right? Okay, the job or career choice, right? Topic we'll talk about the job or career choice. You read the whole thing, right? You read the whole thing and find, and sometimes it will appear on the last sentence that I said, job or career, right? Choose a career, right? Job or career choice, something. You cannot you can change the other word that mean the same thing. Not you you can create the new thing, not just only use the word right here. You can think by your own, right? And the main idea is a few idea to help the reader choose a career, right? A few idea like as you begin to choose a career. That what they paraphrase เอามาเขียนใหม่ right? Paraphrase แปลเอามาเขียนใหม่ that what the answer in this paragraph that you can find. What else? The last, finally, an author might put the main idea in the middle of paragraph. The author will spend a few sentences introducing the topic, present the main idea, then spend the rest of the paragraph supporting it. It can make the main idea more difficult to find. This is the most difficult ยากที่สุด It put on the middle of the paragraph. It can be as well. And let's see from the example of the last.
The United States seems to be in love with the idea of going out to eat. Because of this, a real variety of restaurants has come about specializing in all kinds of foods. McDonald's is the king of a subgroup of restaurants called fast food restaurants. Chances are, no matter where you live, there is a McDonald's restaurant near you. There are even McDonald's in the Soviet Union. Now McDonald's is trying something new. It is called McDonald's Express and there is a test site in Peabody, Massachusetts. It is part of a mobile gas station. This allows you to fill up with gas and fill up on food at the same time.
Okay, and this is the paragraph, and in this paragraph, what is the topic sentence again? Okay, it's easy. They talk of many times, right? McDonald. It can be one word and that's it. Or fast food restaurant, but it can be fast food restaurant that you can find here. fast food restaurant, but it's better to talk about McDonald's and that's it. And the main idea in the middle of the paragraph, right? In the third sentence, first, second, and third sentence, right? McDonald's is the king of subgroup of restaurant called fast food restaurant, right? McDonald's is the king of fast food, right? And that's it for the finding paragraph. And I will have some examination about finding the main idea and paragraph, about topic sentence and finding the main idea. And I will let you know later. Thank you for your attention. See you again. Bye bye.